Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and in today's video we are at Salarpuria Sattva Park Cubix project which is located in Devanahalli, Bangalore. So friends, this we are giving you the view of project from main road. And here is the main road in front of the project. Here is the main entrance gate of Park Cubix. This project is spread over 18 acres of land and consists of 7 number of towers with G plus 14 number of floors. There are total 1620 numbers of units. Now this is the view of ongoing construction work. So we are on the project site and here you can see the construction work is going on in full swing. This project offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It's a premium project by Salarpuria Sattva Group. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 2 BHK flat which is of 997 square feet. So here you can see the dining area. This is a spacious living room, beautifully designed. And here is an attached balcony with this living room. Now here comes the modular kitchen with separate utility area. Now moving next. Here comes the first bedroom of this 2 BHK apartment. The spacious bedroom, skillfully designed with lavish interior decoration. Here is the common washroom. And this is the view of second bedroom. And here is an attached washroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.